ACMA also launched its new production internship program, where the next generation of media, film, and television students can get real-world hands-on experience in digital media marketing and television production. Our interns actually work alongside our Asian Voices production crew on set and post-production, learning valuable skill sets necessary in today's competitive media market.
Immediately what caught my eyes was the mission of ACMA, which is to empower and support the Asian and Pacific Islander communities. So that's why I decided to join this internship.
I have learned a lot from ACMA workshops, especially I've gained numerous hands-on production experiences through the workshop.
I think it is really beneficial for students in the communication department to find a company or an organization that they're interested in and to just get in there and get hands-on experience.